Hi there, students. Wanderlust, a noun. I've read that it can be a verb, but I think I would use it exclusively as a noun. Wanderlust is a strong desire to travel far away to many different places, to travel for the sake of travelling. So it seems to me that at the beginning of August, there is a wanderlust that takes control of everybody in the nation, and they all seem to want to go on holiday. Wanderlust, a strong, irresistible urge to travel. Yeah, to roam, a great desire to go to one place and to another. Yeah, so very often you see wanderlust in young people who go out and discover the world. They travel around the world. And they do this before they settle down. So I think wanderlust, it's a characteristic that that gives you the opportunity to find yourself. You can engage with different cultural experiences, learn different languages, different customs, and like that you can compare those with the ones that you learnt when you grew up. Yeah, so wanderlust, travel for travel's sake, to really enjoy travelling. Yeah, so it's not necessarily the need to go anywhere. It's just that these people don't want to stay in one spot. Okay, they want to go to different places and you can figure yourself out. Okay, the word wanderlust is made of two words, wander and lust. Lust is a strong desire for something, especially a feeling that drives you, particularly sex with the word lust, or longing, something that you really want. And then to wander is to go from place to place. You wander around a city. So it's the desire to wander around the world. Yeah, I think wanderlust has been something that's been with us for a long time. Clearly, Herodotus, the Greek, suffered from wanderlust. Yeah, the desire to travel to a huge number of places. So what about formality with this word wanderlust? I think I'd probably give it a 6 in formality, but it's another of these words that you could use in any place. Yeah, I think you could use it informally, and I think you could use it very formally, although a little bit on the formal side itself. So wanderlust. Have you got wanderlust? Have you got wanderlust to come and visit the UK, or to travel around Eastern Asia, or to travel around Africa, going from place to place? Wanderlust, yeah? Maybe you go to South America and work for different charities. That might be enough to satisfy your wanderlust. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Wanderlust.